For many foreign investors entering Vietnam, the focus is naturally on business growth. Setting up operations, hiring employees, generating revenue, and building market presence. But after the company finally becomes profitable, many foreign investors encounter a problem they did not fully anticipate. They cannot freely transfer profits abroad, at least not immediately. Because in Vietnam, profit remittance for foreign invested companies is closely connected to legal, tax, accounting, and compliance requirements. And many businesses only realize this when the bank, auditor, or authorities begin requesting documents that the company is not fully prepared to provide. Many foreign investors assume that once the company earns profits, those funds can simply be transferred to overseas shareholders. But in Vietnam, profit remittance is not merely a financial transaction, it is a compliance process. Before profits can legally be transferred abroad, the company must typically satisfy several conditions. The business must complete its tax obligations. Financial statements may need to be audited. The company must ensure no accumulated tax liabilities remain outstanding. And accounting records must properly support the financial position being reported. This means profit repatriation depends heavily on the quality of the company's overall compliance structure. One of the most frustrating situations for foreign investors in Vietnam is discovering that the company appears profitable on paper, but operational compliance problems prevent smooth profit transfer. For example, accounting records may contain inconsistencies. Supporting documentation may be incomplete. Tax declarations may require clarification, or audited financial statements may reveal unresolved issues. In other situations, banking documentation may not align properly with the company's accounting records or investment registration structure. When these issues appear, banks may request additional supporting documents or delay processing profit remittance transactions. This creates significant frustration for foreign investors who assumed profitability automatically meant unrestricted access to funds. For many foreign invested companies in Vietnam, audited financial statements become one of the key documents supporting overseas profit remittance. But an audit does not simply verify profits, it evaluates whether the company's financial records are reliable, properly documented, and compliant. If auditors identify inconsistencies, unsupported transactions, weak documentation, or unresolved accounting concerns, this may complicate the company's ability to proceed smoothly with profit transfer procedures. This is why many foreign investors only realize the importance of compliance management after profit repatriation becomes difficult, because at that stage, correcting historical accounting weaknesses often becomes time-consuming and expensive. Many startups and SME foreign investors entering Vietnam understandably try to reduce operational costs during the early stages, and accounting providers are frequently selected based primarily on low fees. At first, everything may appear functional. Monthly reports are submitted, taxes are filed, operations continue normally. But later, when the company attempts to transfer profits abroad, hidden compliance weaknesses begin surfacing. Incomplete supporting documents, weak accounting records, unclear transaction classifications, or inconsistencies between accounting and banking documentation. In many cases, the accounting system was designed only for basic filing obligations, not long-term audit defensibility or profit remittance readiness. Imagine a foreign-owned consulting company operating successfully in Vietnam for several years. The business grows steadily, revenue increases, and the company becomes profitable. Management then decides to distribute profits to overseas shareholders, but during the process, problems emerge. Auditors request clarification regarding certain expense records. Several intercompany transactions are insufficiently documented. Payroll records contain inconsistencies, and banking documentation does not fully align with the accounting structure. The profit remittance process becomes delayed while management works to resolve historical compliance issues that had accumulated quietly over time. This situation is more common in Vietnam than many foreign investors realize. For foreign-owned companies in Vietnam, compliance is not only about avoiding penalties, it directly affects operational flexibility. Strong compliance structures help companies complete audits more smoothly, reduce tax exposure, maintain stronger banking relationships, support investor confidence, and facilitate profit repatriation with fewer complications. In contrast, weak compliance structures often create hidden operational friction that becomes visible only during critical business moments, and profit remittance is one of those moments. Many foreign investors entering Vietnam focus heavily on company setup and market entry, but long-term operational sustainability depends heavily on what happens after incorporation. Accounting quality, audit readiness, documentation discipline, tax compliance, and proper legal coordination all become essential over time, because in Vietnam, generating profits is only one part of the equation. The ability to legally and efficiently repatriate those profits depends on whether the company's compliance structure can withstand professional and regulatory scrutiny. At LTS Law, we regularly advise foreign investors who encounter operational difficulties connected to accounting, audit, and profit remittance compliance in Vietnam. Although LTS Law does not directly provide accounting or audit services, we help clients identify professionally assessed accounting and audit partners experienced in supporting FDI companies with stronger transparency, responsiveness, English communication capability, and practical understanding of foreign invested business operations. Our goal is not simply helping investors establish companies, it is helping them build sustainable compliance structures capable of supporting long-term operations, audits, and profit repatriation. Many foreign investors assume profit transfer is simple once the business becomes successful. But in Vietnam, the ability to remit profits abroad depends heavily on whether the company has maintained proper compliance throughout its operations. At LTS Law, we help foreign investors understand that strong compliance is not an administrative burden. It is part of protecting the value and accessibility of the profits the business generates. If you are operating or planning to establish a foreign invested company in Vietnam and want guidance on compliance management, audit readiness, or selecting suitable accounting and audit partners, book a consultation with LTS Law. Because in Vietnam, profitability alone does not guarantee you can move your profits freely abroad.